What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, Chips Pokeribs. Hope everybody's doing great. Today, before I get to my unboxing, I wanted to show you guys what came in the mail that I ordered. I got another Chill and Rain booster box that I ordered from Pokemon Center. It was still available. Came in. Also, was able to get a few of these first partner packs from June. Maybe I'll do a giveaway. Comes with 2 booster packs. Also got my Celebi that I ordered. It was from the Black Star promo. Been collecting a few of these, so this one came in. Can add this to the collection. Got a few more to go to finish the collection. Also, my local beaters, I was able to pick this up. The Trainer's Legendary Box is the Ho-Oh. And it comes with a couple of, it comes with, I think, 6 packs. I see a Sun and Moon Guardian Rising and then Celestial Storm. Can't see the other ones, but it comes with 3 holograms in the middle. So I think I'm just gonna keep this one closed and as a collector. Just leave it there. And finally, we get to this Eevee Heroes. Had this since last month, but I wasn't able to unpack it because I had the Chill and Rain stuff that I was doing. So now that we finished that, now we can open this one up. I heard there's a lot of good alternate art cards, and those are the best ones to get in this one. So hopefully we pull a few of them. If we can't, then I guess we'll have to wait till it's available so we can order another one. And that's all I got for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. And please share if you can. Thank you. Okay, let's start this unpacking. Let's open it the right way. There we go. Nice packs, very nice. I think I'm just gonna cut them open so it could be faster, and I'll fast forward it to when this is done. Be right back. Okay, got them. Now let's start unpacking. I think this one is just one to the front. There's no code for this one. Here we go. Marrow. Okay, we got a hollow. Let's put that in the sleeve. Like I always said, I love the Japanese cards because I feel like the quality's better. There you go. Next pack. Onto the front. Okay. Next. To the front. Oh, Voltrobe. Meowth. NDD. Okay. Okay, a V. Nice. I forgot. I think this is Leafeon or something like that. Very good. Sleeve them up. Very nice. That there. Next pack. Onto the front. Pikachu. Pinsir. Nice. Let's go. Eevee. Another hollow. Nice. Sleeve them up. Raichu hollow. Very nice. Let's pull out a few of these sleeves. I don't have to keep one in the pack. Go. Next pack. Really like all the artwork on this. These Japanese cards. Ooh, VMAX, Umbreon, nice. I don't know if this is the alternate art or just the regular one, but very good pull. Let's put this in the top loader. So far, good pulls. Not bad. There you go. Next pack. These over. Next pack. I think I see something in the back. A Pikachu. Hollow. Okay, take it. Entei hollow. I like this artwork. Nice. last pack of one side. Let's see what we got. Another Pikachu. I forgot the name of this one, but this is a good pull. One of the Eevee's dice. Okay. Leave it up. Okay, next side. Another hollow. Don't know this one, but let's leave it up. Sir. Another hollow. Okay. So far only one VMAX. Come on, let's get more. Oh, full art trainer. Very, very nice. I think I'll put that in the top loader. Nice card. Next pack. Eevee again. Okay, scan. Let me put some of these cards away. Hold on. These in the box for now. Just get them out the way. Okay, next pack. Okay, another V. Forgot, I think it's Sovion or something like that. I don't remember exactly the names, but just the regular Eevees. But it's a V, so it's good. There you go. Next pack. Another Pikachu. Next pack. Ain't nothing. Buried in the house. Okay, we're not getting anything so far. Oh, we need this. We have to look at. Get an alternate art. Orion V. Very nice. Okay, VMAX. It's this one again, but I think this is the alternate art. I hope it is. No, I think this is just the regular VMAX, but still nice. That boy away. Top loader. Next pack. We got 2 packs left after this one. Let's get some good pulls, man. Come on. Alternate arts. Something, please. Okay. One after this. Last pack. Let's see if we get some last pack magic. I hope we do. Maybe an alternate art. Let's see. Oh, just a hollow. Alright. Not bad. Some of these cards away also, so I can clear the table out. Little recap what we got. Got some V's. Mainly got some hollows. A lot of hollows. We got 8 hollows, 4 V's. We got 2 VMAXs and a full trainer, full art. I guess not bad. Really wanted some alternate arts, but hey, I'll take that. I guess I'm gonna probably have to get another one whenever it's available. And I guess that's all we got for today then. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And please share if you can. I'll be back with the next video in a day or two. But hopefully we got something good for you guys. Chips out.